In today's video, I'm going to show you how to export a Wix website step by step. This is one of the most common questions I get from beginners and website owners who want an offline copy of their Wix site, want to archive a page, or simply want to save their website content as HTML. Before we begin, just keep in mind that Wix does not officially allow full site export like some other platforms, but I'll show you the practical method that works for saving your site pages. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy website tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the Wix website you want to export. Make sure the site is fully published and accessible publicly, because this method works on the live version of your site. Once the page loads completely, scroll through the page to ensure all images, text, and sections are visible. This is important because whatever is loaded on the screen is what will be saved. Next, move your mouse anywhere on the web page and right-click on the site. When you right-click, a menu will appear, depending on the browser you are using, such as Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. From this menu, look for the option that says Save As or Save Page As. Go ahead and click on that option. Now a Save dialog box will open on your computer. At the bottom of this window, you'll see a file type or format dropdown. Click on that dropdown and select Web Page Complete or HTML only, depending on your browser. Choosing Web Page Complete will save the HTML file along with a folder containing images, styles, and other assets. Choose a location on your computer where you want to save the file, then click Save. Your browser will now download the page and store it locally on your device. Once the download is finished, navigate to the folder where you saved the file. You'll see an HTML file and possibly a supporting folder. Double-click the HTML file to open it in your browser. You should now see an offline version of your Wix webpage. This allows you to view the layout, text, and images without needing an internet connection. It's important to understand the limitations here. This exported version is a static snapshot of your page. Interactive features, Wix apps, forms, and dynamic content will not function the same way as on the live site. This method is best for backup, reference, or basic content transfer, not for fully migrating a Wix site to another platform. If you want to export multiple pages, you'll need to repeat the same steps for each page individually. Simply navigate to another page on your Wix site and repeat the save process. Once you're done exporting the pages you need, you'll have local copies stored safely on your computer. And that's it. You've successfully exported a Wix website page as HTML using a simple and free method. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.